What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati, back at it with another video. And in this video, we will be talking about vision boards, goal setting, doing a vision board digitally. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and keep watching. I love vision boards. I make my own vision board every year. I actually have some digital ones that I made, and I wanted to let you guys know like how I made those. So first and foremost, the step one is to have a vision board. Now, I have an actual vision board. So if you have a physical vision board, that's perfect to like use your inspiration from. So it depends on how like you do vision boards. If you don't, all of this will still apply, but let's get into it. If you like, let's say you're starting from scratch, you don't have a vision board, right? What I like to do and what's going to work good for you for your phone and to make a physical one if you decide to is to go and think about your goals. So I write down my goals and then I look for pictures that apply to my goals. So I'll be on Pinterest, Instagram, saving stuff, Google, just trying to figure out like different things. So like for me, one of my goals is to complete my dual language lessons. Another goal of mine is to be more consistent on YouTube. This is my favorite video, my favorite picture. I'll probably add it here or somewhere. But I want to like just have more time with my friends, turn up, socialize more. That's one of my goals. And this picture right here, I think I got it from Pinterest. It just makes me so happy. Something else that I really love to add is a quote in the middle of my vision board. And I'll add the 2 quotes that I have for my vision board. But that being in the middle of your vision board just sets the tone for like what the year is going to be like. It don't have to be nothing big either. I know one year I had like focus. Another year I had like who are you? So it don't have to be like crazy. It's just something to kind of set the tone, okay? So once you've done that and you have your pictures for your vision board, the next thing you want to do is to go to Canva. That's what I like to use. Unfold is also cool, but I think Canva just gives you a lot of different options to use and it's free. So I like to go to Canva and I like to look up templates because you can look up templates. I've done a few different ones. So like the templates I've looked up were just collages, like photo collages or Instagram story collages. I love looking that up because, you never know about the shape. I've looked up vision board before on there. I think I did that for this year. Now, when you're trying to see the things that you need to see, got my notes, that's why I'm looking down. There are 3 main things that you want to think about, at least for me. The first thing that you have to think about is the amount of photos that you want. I saw a lot of cute inspiration, but I have very few photos. I think I have 8. Yeah, I have 8 photos, 9 in total because of my actual quote. But I only have 9 photos. So when I'm looking at the different like options, I can't pick one, or I wouldn't pick one that had like 30 photos or even one that has like 16 photos, like because I've seen some that were really cute but had 16 photos because that was just too much for my vision board. On the other side, you also might want to look for those that have 30 because you might have cut it out of a magazine, or you just have a different style of vision boards, because there are this style of vision boards which I do, and there are these style of vision boards which I have also done. So either one of those that you do, you gotta really match it up to see which one will be better. The other thing that you want to see is the style. The style is very big. Like, do you want to go for the collage look? Do you want to go for just, simple cut square? Do you want like a funky type of thing? Because there are different types. So you don't have to just have just square collages. There's different funky type of ones that you could do. So you really want to look at that style and if it's going to be something that you really just like. Just see what's out there. Check the different ones. And then lastly, you need to think about what device you are putting it on. Because I have a tablet. I made 2 of them last year. I made one for my iPad. I keep wanting to say tablet, but I made one for my iPad and I made one for my phone. So those are 2 different dimensions that you have to account for. So you have to think about that too when you're picking out like your style. Am I going to put this on my desktop computer? Am I going to put this on my tablet? Or am I going to put this on my phone? If you're going to put it on your phone, then looking up reels, like Instagram reels, stories, even looking up wallpaper type of things like that, that will fit into that category. But when you're looking for tablets, or really a desktop, when you're looking for a desktop, you want to look for something that has like the desktop web page, one of those options on there. Even with a tablet, honestly, because you can do it either way, I would still prefer to have like a desktop option. So you really want to check that out when you're searching, so you can keep that in mind of what templates to be looking for. And once you do that, baby girl, you're on to step 3. Very easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? So the third one, why do I have these in front of me like I don't know what all of them are? The third one is to add pictures. You just gotta go in there, start throwing the pictures in there, okay? You wanna add the pictures. When you are doing this, have fun. Play around with it. Don't stress yourself out. This is your vision board. You want it to look cute. You want it to feel, you want to feel happy when you look at it. You don't look at it and be like, oh, I remember when I was looking for this picture and I was so stressed about this picture and I remember her. No, you want to have positive thoughts. You want to be happy when you're doing this. You want to think about, oh, that's cute. Oh, actually, I want to make this a little bit bigger. Like listen, that picture with the friends, the homies hanging out, I love that picture. I was like, no, that picture has to be bigger. Like, I don't want that picture in a little small place. Start, like, think about that. Do multiple pages. That's what I did. I would do a page, and I do this all the time on Canva. I will make a page, and I'll click it. I'll like duplicate the same page, switch maybe 1 or 2 things. It might be a minor detail, but I'll switch it, and I'll flip back and forth, back and forth to look and see which one that I really just like that. Because you don't want to, one thing you don't want to do is to switch everything up and then be like, I might have liked the other one. Or to switch everything up and be like, I don't even remember what the other one was like, and I don't even like this one, and I don't know how to go back to that one. You don't want to do all of that. So when you add the different pages, and I'm telling you, I have like 4 different pages, you could just slide back and forth and be like, And you could even move the pages around so that, like, let's say you have 5 pages, but you like number 1 and number 3 better. You can move number 3 to number 2 and boom, swipe back and forth and look at them like that. Do it until your heart is full. I know this is a lot of feelings. It might be like, girl, what are you talking about? But do it until you feel like you're happy, okay? So you're going to be working on it, playing with it, but play with it until it's something that's like pleasant for you to see. And if you're having fun the whole time, hopefully it is. And you want to put your vision board somewhere you're going to see it every day. So like for me, I put my vision board on my wall. I see it every day. But when you put it on your phone, also when it's your wallpaper, when it's your home screen, you literally see it every day. Yeah, then the last thing for you to do really is to decide, are you going to put it as your home screen, your lock screen? I personally have mine as my home screen because I have something else as my lock screen that I like. But you know, you decide, go ahead and download it and upload it, and add it to your lock screen or as your home screen. And then bada boom, bada bang, you have a vision board that's digital that you're going to see all the time and you can put anywhere and transfer. Okay. So yeah, that's the end of my video, you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, please. Okay, please. Comment down below one of your goals that you guys have. I have a goal. It's not even necessarily on my vision board, but it's to have a little bit more confidence, right? And so with me having a little bit more confidence, I want to learn how to dance. Yeah. So the picture is confidence, but I want to learn how to dance a little bit. So hold me to that. Go ahead and share this video, you guys, so we can get more people into this potato family, okay? And last but not least, you know what you gotta do. You know what you gotta do. Subscribe to my channel so you can grow with your girl, and so you can grow with your girl, and so you can grow with your girl. Break it down, break it down, Why did I say last but not least? Like I was about to buckle up. Like I was about to, why am I doing this? Like I have nails on. I don't have no nails on. Let me stop. Y'all, let me stop playing because I ain't even about none of that. Let me stop. Let me stop playing.